me drooling over the seeds and stuff, but I'll be happy to do this. So I would definitely like to get a few of these blooper, and I don't edit, so you're gonna get to see it. I'm gonna take 4 of the Cherokee Tan pumpkin seed out because I have never grown those. Oop. Got too many out. That way I can try them. Or let's just do 6. That way there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So I took 6 of the Cherokee Tans out. J Love Adventures. Then she put a couple little bags in there. And put that back in. And then I need to set this aside with that so that I won't forget what those are. And that went with her stuff too. And then there's $5 in there. I think that's for, I'm not sure why that's in there, but it'll go back in there. Oh, Robertson Billy Acres. I met them at the meetup too in Pryor. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so fun. Thank you, Brian, for thinking of me. This is just amazing. A peach tree. Okay, I want one. I need to get a pen and a paper. Oh, wow. Mammoth sunflower. Elephant trunk. Oh my goodness. Pinto beans. Pequin peppers from Corpus Christi, Texas. How cool. And peaches. Aw. Wow. I should have grabbed, I don't think I have any in there. And I'm in my planting clothes. I don't dress up to come to the greenhouse. Okay, so I set that there. Walterman Homestead. Wow, and one of their seeds came open, so there's seeds all through here. So, not sure which one those are. I've got some milkweed, pole beans, lettuce, Sweet William, Hill Country Red. I'm not real sure what those seeds are for. It looks like a lettuce. Royal Amethyst Acres. Oh my gosh, Mandy. This is so fun. Look at these pretty little packaging. Oh my goodness. How pretty. Look how fancy these are. Oh. I need a little table to put these on. Royal Amethyst Acres and Mamsie's Garden. More Glory Mix. I'm going to have a little bit of that. Cherry radish. Dark Star. Oh, I have that variety. That's pretty good variety too if you get a chance, try it. Flat leaf parsley. Look at that. Look at the little packaging. How cute. Look at her card. Love that. I'm subscribed to everybody I've opened this up so far. If I come across any I don't recognize, then I'm definitely subscribing. It'd be kind of cool to get something from everyone. That way I can have like a little homestead garden for my YouTube friends. Oh, somebody else orders from Hudson Valley. So who is this one? Forget-me-nots. Purple coneflower. Forage. Hudson Valley seeds. And sweet. Asher's buttons. Candy cane zinnia. Oh, I love that one. And I have that one too. I don't know who that's from. So this one's going to be a mystery. I won't know who dropped off that one. Oops, don't fall. Okay, y'all see I'm running out of room over here. I'm gonna run my battery down. This is too much fun. Morris Patch Homestead. They are the sweetest couple. I met them at the meetup too. This is gonna be fun. I can see I just got those little bottles at Dollar Tree. They are too cute. What a great idea. Love it. Okay, so I'm gonna set this in my lap. How cute. Look, their card. Check out their card at the meetup. That is so clever. Joyce and her husband are sweet. Neat. Cantaloupe. That is cool. Very cool idea, putting the card on everything. That way you know who it's from. Black beans. Tiger melon. Oh, that is really good. Zinnia. Cute. Pie pumpkins. Oh, heck yeah. Now this one has a little bit different seeds in there. Amish melon, jack-o'-lantern, turnip, garden beans, and German pink tomato. If you've never grown that, oh my gosh, it is delicious. This is so fun. I'm gonna have to do another video and then another one of me, what I'm putting in there. Cray's Family Homestead. Okay, I am not subscribed to them, I don't think. I'm gonna have to look them up. Look at that. I wonder if that's a painted pony. I'm gonna set the box down. Mind you, it was really cold, so I'm like in my grungies. You don't dress up to go in the greenhouse. You just want to be warm. Okay, share the pack. Cucumber, lemon. Grown them before. Really good. Rattlesnake pole bean.